So today, mga mari o pari, maayong adlaw ninyo din hatanan. So nagtry dami aning bag-o Manila dinhi sa Overland Park nga Andrete Indoor Karting and Games. So among gitry today kay kuan lagi Lunes, nya wa pay trabaho sa amahan kay holiday. Agoy wa na dayon napakyas ang among plano. Excited na kami mag-go karting. Kay kuan kanang practice ko daw ko og kanang drive nindot na siya kanang i-practice kay may na lang makatuon og kanang liko-liko or unsa ba. So wala dayon oy kay pasta upat kalinya pasta taas sa pila. So namalhin na lang mi dito sa among natuan na dati sa main event. Para makapadayon og dula ang mga batuting kay excited na ba taon sila taon magdula-dula. So at least diri busy gid kayo siya ay maskin Monday. Nagtuo ba naman mi kay weekdays dili busy agoy daghan pa siguro walay trabaho karong adlaw pero at least nalingaw gihapon ang mga bata. So ayun lang mga Mario Paris, share ko lang. Bye bye. Maayong adlaw sa tanan, ang pinta permi.
Late kami ka na isip well. Hello! You know? Sit down. Other side, maybe not. This one, not the back one here, right here. This side. Okay. Yeah, free start.
Select.
Yeah. Grabe ito. Paano mo? Manda na ko siya. Good job! Yeah? Oh!
I'm going in.
Oy! Wow! That's the deal. Oh! Ako na. Pagkuhan pa itong race car. Nasa lagi. Jesus! Panda Rojo Mobile. Tokyo Pons daw, Tokyo Pons. That's it. They like to make claw machine. Dali. He really likes claw machine. I don't know. Maybe they don't get in it. Claw machine. Almost. Try Ezekiel. 50 points, 1 point, 100 points. Get the one in the black area. Good job. Yeah. Wow, good job. Oh. Go right there now. Throw. Good job. More. Mas yun ito po rin tayo na ho. Nanglaban. Yeah, we got one. One more. There's more? One more, Ezekiel. 2 more. We got 300 points. Look! We got 100, 200, and 300. Yay! Tama, Matias. How many points ka? 3 plus versus zombie. Z! Yay! Wala, zombie sa puti. Wala ko stick. Seryoso kayo siya. Seryoso ang Ezekiel. Wanna try, Matthias? Up, wait. Here, this is your card. Okay, no. Wait, not yet. Whoa. Do some. Go, Matthias. 10 points. Hard of hard. Ezekiel, ma'am. He's the. Oh. Feel it. What? Oh, it's the same lab. Look, lab. There's even 10 in there. Even go up. Dad's gonna try. Maybe they need to stop. Done? Go, Ezekiel. Really? Oh, that one big one. Good. That was big. You got 6 tickets. Go get it. Go get this big one. Get it. Oh, there's octopus. Whoa. Okay. Wait. Matthias, go try. Ezekiel's right there. Oh. Do it. Did you do it again? Hey, get it here, Ezekiel. Good job. Good job, teacher man. Oh, you got 10, Matthias. Woohoo! You got 18 tickets. You're 120. Oh, you too, Ezekiel. Oh, Ezekiel got 30. Whoa. Come on, let's try other. maguan magkatkat. So kung di ninyo gusto gamiton tanan, so balik pa po madali ako kasi mag-ana po daw ng points. Yan. Doon to sa dami manood to sa buffet, Chinese buffet.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah. Boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Nani uto. May tay. Nga. Ako sila sa kwan ay. Magbupid-bupid na sila ay. Yeah. Good thing that there's a sign of open. Yeah, that's sila. I like their big door, wooden door. Thank you very much. So, super busy. Grabe. Waiting is waiting. Hindi dami. Hindi na batot. Dari me. You want, okay?
You guys want some spring rolls?
Tapos may soup. Oh, may pizza. Sa Ezekiel, what pizza? Okay, let's go, Matthias. Listen pala mo, yummy na ang rice. Matthias is here. Mommy will get it. This is for daddy again. Do you want ribs or not? No? Video, but si mother. Okay, put right there. With Matthias got clams and this is his first favorite in Okinawa. The one with egg, right? Matthias, did you still remember that? Matthias? Oh, grapes.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.